Chip of the old block. Chip of the old block. It's an idiom. It means a son who behaves or looks like his father. In other words, someone who is very similar in character to their father or mother. Let us see it in the example. Bhaskar is definitely a chip of the old block. So Bhaskar is exactly looks like his father or mother. That's the reason Bhaskar is definitely a chip of the old block. Second one, Rajesh is a chip of the old block. He is a teacher just like his father. Father became teacher. Now he is also teacher. That's the reason Rajesh is a chip of the old block. Third one, James just won the same sailboat race his father won 20 years ago. He is a chip of the old block. So 20 years ago his father won, now he won. That's the reason James is a chip of the old block. Fourth one, same like his brother, he is a chip of the old block, very rude in behavior. He behaves exactly like his brother in a rude manner. That's the reason he is as like his brother. So he is a chip of the old block. Fifth one, Raju was a chip of the old block with his grey eyes and his dad's smile. So Raju looks like his dad in smile and in the grey eyes. That's the reason Raju is a chip of the old block. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, chip of the old block, the block here refers to a block of wood and the chip is a small piece which has been broken off the block of wood. The characteristics of the chip will be similar to those of the wood. So from this context, the idiom chip of the old block has come into existence. It means a son who behaves exactly like his father or mother is called chip of the old block.